Brochures may be small, but they make a big impact. From showcasing services to guiding customers, brochures remain one of the most effective tools across industries. In tourism and travel, brochures are essential. Visitor guides, attraction maps, and tour package highlights give travelers something tangible to carry and reference along the way. For real estate, brochures leave a lasting impression. From property listings and open house handouts to full development portfolios, they're a powerful way to showcase opportunities. In healthcare and medical services, brochures help educate and inform. Patient education materials, service overviews, and wellness program details provide clarity and build trust.
Education and training institutions rely on brochures too. Course catalogs, campus guides, and enrollment information give prospective students the details they need to make big decisions. In hospitality and food and beverage, brochures deliver convenience. Menus, event packages, and hotel amenity guides help guests explore options and plan their experiences. Even professional services benefit. Company overviews, service packages, and case studies offer clients a polished, portable way to review solutions at their convenience. Whatever your industry, brochures remain a timeless tool for making connections and leaving a lasting impression.